G'day guys. So, my local scrapyard gave me this the other day. Toyota Panasonic EV Energy. What do you think it is? It is, I believe, a nickel metal hydride Toyota Prius battery. Now, I did want to buy the entire Toyota Prius that this was attached to, but they picked it up and scrunched it accidentally. The truck driver didn't know that I wanted it, and it got crushed up in the scrapyard. But we ended up with this much of it, so we're going to tear it apart. Basically, we want to get all this control electronics off the top. We're going to presume it's well and truly dead. It has been sitting for quite a long time. They can all get scrapped. We'll make a bin of all the scrap stuff that we can mulch later on and put through a granulator. But who wants to see me strip this down live, or should we just make a video out of it? Once we get the cells out, we'll do some testing and playing around with them, and see if anything holds charge still. Have a bit of a look at what we're pulling apart on the way through. Obviously there's a big cooling arrangement here. There's a cooling fan there, which obviously pulls air in and blows it around inside. Yeah, if you want to see this done live, let me know, and make a video out of it. I believe it was an early 2000 model Prius. I didn't get that far into the whole thing because I've been too busy, but yeah. A lot of wiring in here. A lot of 10 and 12 mil bolts, and we'll pull it apart and see what's inside. Let me know what you guys think live. At least then we can ask questions, and people might know more than we do, and they can add to the conversation. So yeah, I'll catch us on the next video. It'll either be a recorded video or a live video of us pulling this apart. Either way, I think it could be fun, and even if we get the cells out and manage to do something with them, it'll be a win. So catch you then.